In this video, we're going to find the tangent line to the equation xy cubed plus xy equals 4 at the point 2, 1. So this is going to require implicit differentiation because we're not going to try and solve this for y. And so what's going to happen is there's going to be two product rules in here. So let's do them each with parentheses. If you want more in depth on the implicit differentiation, you can look at some of my other videos. So x times the derivative of y cubed, well, that's 3y squared times y prime, plus y cubed times the derivative of x, which is just 1. So remember, with implicit differentiation, anytime we take the derivative of a y term, we multiply by y prime because we're thinking of it as an implicit function of x. The derivative of xy, I'm going to leave x alone, times the derivative of y, which is y prime, plus y times the derivative of x, which is 1. And then on the other side, and this gets forgotten a lot, the derivative of a constant by itself is just 0. Now, if we want to solve for y prime, we're going to collect the terms with y prime in it. So x 3y squared y prime plus xy prime. And I'm going to move the other terms to the other side. So minus y cubed. So I moved this term and this term via subtraction. The reason I do that is so I can factor out the y prime over here. So I'm going to move this constant 3 out front. 3xy squared is just a little easier to look at that way. Plus x. So I don't want to leave that term out, so let's just rewrite this here. So y prime times 3xy squared plus x from this term equals negative y minus y cubed. Last step is to divide, and we'll get our y prime. Y prime is negative y minus y cubed over 3xy squared plus x. Now we wanted to find the tangent line at the point 2, 1, which means we need our slope. We already got a point that it goes through. So to get our m, we're just going to plug this point in. 1 for y, 2 for x. So minus 1 cubed all over 3 times 2 times 1 squared plus 2. So negative 1 minus 1 is a negative 2. And then we're going to have 8 on bottom, so that means we have a slope of minus 1/4. And now we can get the equation of our tangent line. It's going to be y equals negative 1/4 times the quantity x minus 2 plus 1. If you wanted to put this in mx plus b form, you could distribute the negative 1/4 and simplify.